Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about inscribed angles and arcs theorem. What could be the objectives? First, we will identify the inscribed angles and arcs theorem. Second, we will measure. And third, we will apply using the inscribed angles and arcs theorem. As you can see in the figure, angle GME is an inscribed angle. In theorem number 1, the measure of the inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. So it means the measure of the angle GME is equal to 1/2 the measure of the arc GE. Example, if angle GME is equal to 2x degree, while the measure of the arc GE is equal to 104 degrees. So let us solve for x. Let us replace. Angle GME is equal to 2x degree, copy 1/2. Arc GE is equal to 104 degrees. So let us divide 104 divided by 2, that is 52 degrees. Copy 2x degree. So let us solve. So x is equal to 26 because divide both sides by 2 degrees. So 2x degrees divided by 2 degrees, that is x. 52 degrees divided by 2 degrees, the answer is equal to 26. How about this one? That is theorem number 2. If two inscribed angles of a circle intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. If angle EGM and angle ESM have both intercept to arc EM, therefore, angle EGM and angle ESM are congruent. So let us find the value of x, the measure of the angle EGM, and the measure of the arc EM. If the measure of the angle EGM is equal to the quantity 5x minus 7 degrees, while the measure of the angle ESM is equal to the quantity 3x plus 11 degree, what could be our solution? Our solution, the angle EGM, is congruent to angle ESM. If that is congruent, so the answer is equal. So let us proceed. The angle EGM, that is the quantity 5x minus 7 degrees, while the angle ESM, that is the quantity 3x plus 11 degrees. If we distribute the degrees, that is 5x degrees minus 7 degrees equals 3x degrees plus 11 degrees. So let us combine like terms. If we combine like terms, all x on the left side, all numbers on the right side. So that becomes bring down 5x degrees minus 3x degrees going to left, that becomes negative 3x degrees. Bring down 11 degrees and then negative 7 going to right, that becomes positive 7 degrees. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2x degrees. 11 plus 7, that is equal to 18 degrees. And let us find the value of x only. So if that is x only, we need to divide both sides by 2 degrees. So divide both sides by 2 degrees. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Or 2 degrees, 2x degree divided by 2 degrees, the answer is equal to x. And then 18 degrees divided by 2 degrees, the answer is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. Afterwards, let us replace 9 by the measure of the angle EGM, that is equal to the quantity 5x minus 7 degrees. X is equal to 9. So let us replace. So that becomes 5 times 9 minus 7. 5 times 9 is equal to 45 minus 7. 45 minus 7, the answer is equal to 38 degrees. So angle EGM is equal to 38 degrees. So the measure of ESM is also equal to 38 degrees. But then we need to identify the arc EM. So the measure of the arc EM is equal to 2 times 38 degrees. So 2 times 38 degrees is equal to 76 degrees. So the measure of the arc EM is equal to 76 degrees because 38 times 2, that is equal to 76 degrees. If you want to try this one, this is also 38. 38 times 2, the answer is equal to 76 degrees. In theorem number 3, if an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter or a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. So that is angle MEG, that is right angle, that is equal to 90 degrees. Arc MSG, so this is arc MSG, is a semicircle, while the segment MG is the diameter. So let us solve for x and y. So the arc MSG is equal to the quantity y plus 50 degrees, while the angle GEM is equal to 6x degree. So let us solve for x. So the solution, the angle GEM is equal to 90 degrees because that is right angle. So 6x degree is equal to the value of the measure of the angle GEM, that is equal to 90 degrees. And then let us solve for x. So we need to divide all by 6 degree to solve for x. 6x degree divided by 6 degree is x. 90 degree divided by 6 degree, the answer is equal to 18. Let us solve for y. So y plus 50 degrees is equal to the arc of MSG. And arc of MSG is equal to 180 degrees because this is a semicircle. So y, let us distribute the degree. Y degree plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So let us combine like terms. So y degree is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees going to right. Change the sign, so that becomes negative 50 degrees. 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, the answer is equal to y degree is equal to 130 degrees. But then, we need to solve only for y, so we need to divide both sides by 1 degree. So if we divide both sides by 1 degree, so y is equal to 130. In theorem number 4, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angle are supplementary. In quadrilateral GEMS, inscribed in a circle R. So the opposite angle, GSM plus the opposite angle MEG is equal to 180 degrees. So this one, angle S and angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Another, angle SME, so this is angle SME plus angle EGS, the total is equal to 180 degrees, or the opposite angles are supplementary. So let us find the value of the angle EMS. So what could be the solution? The solution, the measure of the angle SGE plus the measure of angle EMS is equal to 180 degrees because opposite angles are supplementary. So let us replace. The measure of the angle SGE is equal to the 3y plus 2 degrees, while the measure of the angle EMS is equal to the quantity y plus 10 degrees equals 180 degrees. So let us combine like terms. Let us combine y. 3y degrees plus y degrees, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4y degrees. 2 plus 10, that is 12 degrees. And then copy 180 degrees. So let us combine like terms. So ang lilipat natin ay 12. So 4y degrees copy, 180 degrees copy, positive 12. Change the sign, that becomes negative 12. Copy 4y degrees, 180 degrees minus 12 degrees is equal to 168 degrees. So let us solve for y. So divide both sides with 4 degrees to solve for y. 4y degrees divided by 4 degrees is equal to y, while 168 degrees divided by 4 degrees is equal to 42. So we have the value of y that is equal to 42. So we can solve now the measure of the angle EMS that is equal to the quantity y plus 10 degrees. Let us replace the value of y by 42 to the given equation. So that becomes 42 plus 10. 42 plus 10 is equal to 52 degrees. So the measure of the angle EMS is equal to 52 degrees. So let us practice what you have learned about the inscribed angles and arcs theorem. Instruction: given the circle R, identify the value of x, y, angle, and arc. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.